Hey, so I have a question for you. Do you know what this or this vintage thing is used for? Let me show you. First thing you have to do is assemble it.
Even though mine is vintage, you can buy new ones on Amazon.
This is the stand, and it holds this.
Next, you need to find a bowl that fits snugly underneath the stand. If you haven't figured it out yet, we're making applesauce. Check for tenderness. When they're nice and soft, they're ready to go. And don't worry about the skin or the seeds. That strainer will get it all out. The wooden bit is used to smash them down. And there is two basic motions that I use when smashing. I stab it down first, and then I do a nice little spinning action. And that pushes the pulp through the little holes and makes the applesauce. After each apple, I like to clean off my little plunger guy and keep on working it. And then eventually you will have enough. And this is what made 3 apples worth of applesauce. Clean off those edges to get it all in there. Sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. You can add sugar if you want, but I opted not to since it's for my kids. Okay, Conrad, try it out. Let me see what you think.
Is it yummy?
Is it good? Yes. More? Oh. Ooh, nice and tart. Yeah. Yeah.